Viral talking AI-generated videos are making people tons of money online. In this video, I'll show you how you can also get a piece of the pie. Take, for instance, this YouTube channel called How To in 5 Minutes. At only 5 months old with 51 video uploads, the channel has garnered a whopping 5.9 million views already. According to Social Blade, they're making upwards of $5,000 a month. And get this, they only use AI tools to create their content. And it's not just them. Content creators all over the internet are going viral and making easy money, thanks to AI tools that make it easy to create unique content that people enjoy. I'm going to walk you through how to create viral talking AI-generated videos that you can use to make money online. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you the fastest way to monetize these videos. Let's dive in. In this tutorial, we'll make a talking AI-generated host for your faceless YouTube channel. But you can use the same concept for videos that go on any social platform. The first thing you will need is a good AI-generated image to use as your avatar, presenter, or video host. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll use Lexica AI. It's the simplest to use, in my opinion. And it's a great alternative to Midjourney, and you don't have to join Discord to make this work. Here we are in Lexica. I've linked it down below. The first thing you'll notice is that you have access to several images that others have already generated. This is great, because you can get inspiration for the image you want to create. Start by searching for an image of the idea you have in mind. With the right prompt, you should have an excellent avatar in no time. Lexica is awesome because you get to see the prompts others use to generate their images. You can tinker and tweak these prompts as you like to come up with something unique and original. I already created one for this tutorial, so let's download it and move on. Once you have your image, head over to Canva. This is where we'll make it pop a little bit more. Click on the YouTube thumbnail and search for a background of your liking. Click on Elements and search for backgrounds. I'll go with this studio background. Once you have your background, you need to upload the image you got from Lexica onto your design platform. This is where you can position it however you like. For the best effect, you will want to remove the background by clicking here. Once you're done, you can also blur the background or play around with it to come up with something that suits your taste. And that's it. Now all you need to do is download this image so that we can use it in the last step. But first, we need the audio that you want this image to speak out. I'll show you how you can get realistic AI voices in no time. Head over to 11 Labs. I've linked it below. They have some of the most realistic sounding voices in the world of text-to-speech. All you have to do is pick the one you want from their voice library of numerous voices and accents. Once you're done, paste your script here. You can play around with how stable you want the voice to sound. I found that putting this at around 50 for stability and 100 for clarity gives it a nearly perfect human-sounding tone. Click on Generate and download the voice to your PC. Let me play a sample for you. 5 signs you're going to be broke forever. 1. You still think going to school will make you wealthy. I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty good to me. The final tool you'll need for this tutorial is this website called Did AI. Again, it's linked below. Once you sign up, click on Create a Video. It will bring you to this page. This is where you can upload the image we created on Canva. Here, you'll notice that you can create your script and have their inbuilt AI read it out for you. If you like, you can also record the audio right from within their tool. The best part is that we have the option to upload our own audio from a third party. Since we already have audio created from the previous step, we'll upload ours here. Once you're done, click on Generate Video. You can then download this to your phone or computer and edit it in CapCut or any video editor of your choice. Here's an example of one that I created earlier. Did allows you to choose the tone of your avatar, which is cool. But keep in mind that this tool works on a credit system. You get 20 free credits. Once you've used that up, you'll have to upgrade to the Pro plan. Now that you know how to make such videos, you need to know how you can use them to make money. You can watch this video next to learn how you can quickly monetize these viral talking AI-generated videos in the next 30 days or less.